change out the fuel filter. There's a bunch of fuel in it. It may be part of the problem. So what I'm going to try to do here is undo the hose and get the extra fuel into my gas can. Out of the way. Get our new little filter. I have no idea what the conditions of the spark plugs are, but I got these. They're cheap. NGK is supposed to be really reliable, so I'm going to take them out. I've never taken them out yet, so I'm going to take one out and then replace them, unless they're perfect, but I don't think so. I'm going to stop and disconnect the battery first. Alright, so I've disconnected the battery. There's always a little bit of charge built up in the coil, so I didn't want to mess with that and spark myself with fuel all over the place. So that's pretty burnt up. The gap looks okay. So I think I am going to replace these. The Hayes book says that the gap should be 0.028 to 0.034, I believe. These NGKs are gapped to 0.025. I think that's close enough. If it turns out that it's running bad later, change it. I'm going to check the gap on that. This gap space tool is actually literally found it in a garbage pile. Our city has a cleanup day, and somebody had thrown out the contents of the garage. I guess they moved out or something. Found an old crescent wrench, this gap tool, some screwdrivers and razor blades and stuff, but I am not one to like to throw things out. So these look to be gapped at probably the same 0.012 and 0.011, so 0.23. So that's actually pretty tight. The new ones are actually too tight. What is this? I don't know if you can see that, but it's a 0.012 and 0.013, so that's 0.025 when you put them together. It just fits. It's close enough. So that's all I can do for now, since I wrong spark plugs. I bought the wrong spark plugs, but at least I did this. Let's see if it starts up.